Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a car that's been generating a lot of buzz lately, the 2024 McLaren Artura. This isn't just your average supercar, it's a hybrid beast that promises groundbreaking performance and a taste of the future. So buckle up, because we're about to dive into everything that makes the Artura so special. Design and aesthetics. First things first, let's talk about the design. The Artura is a stunner. No doubt about it. It takes McLaren's signature sleek lines and sharp angles to a whole new level, with a low-slung stance and an aggressive aerodynamic package that screams "I mean business." But it's not just about looking fast. The Artura's design is also incredibly functional. Every vent and curve serves a purpose, channeling air to optimize cooling and downforce. Speaking of downforce, that integrated rear spoiler is a work of art, and it helps keep the Artura glued to the pavement even at triple-digit speeds. Interior and technology. Stepping inside the Artura is like entering a spaceship. The cockpit is beautifully crafted with high-quality materials and a driver-focused layout. Everything is within easy reach, and the digital instrument cluster is crystal clear and customizable. McLaren hasn't skimped on tech either. The Artura comes loaded with a new infotainment system that's intuitive and responsive. And let's not forget the optional heads-up display that projects key information right onto your windshield. Performance and hybrid powertrain. Now, onto the part that really gets your heart racing, the performance. The Artura is powered by a brand new hybrid powertrain that combines a 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 engine with an electric motor. This potent combination churns out a staggering 671 horsepower and 531 pounds-feet of torque, enough to launch you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds and onto a top speed of 205 miles per hour. But the Artura isn't just about brute force, it's also surprisingly efficient. The electric motor allows for pure electric driving for up to 19 miles, and the overall fuel economy is significantly better than you'd expect from a car with this much power. Driving experience. So, how does it drive? In a word, sensational. The Artura is incredibly responsive and agile, thanks to its lightweight construction and sophisticated suspension. The steering is razor sharp, and the brakes are unbelievably powerful. And then there's the acceleration. It's instant and brutal, pinning you back in your seat with every press of the pedal. But despite all of this power, the Artura is surprisingly easy to control. It's a car that begs to be pushed, but it's also perfectly happy to cruise along at a leisurely pace. So, there you have it, the 2024 McLaren Artura. It's a car that pushes the boundaries of what a supercar can be. It's powerful, efficient, beautiful, and technologically advanced. It's the future of McLaren, and it's a future that I, for one, am very excited about. If you're looking for a supercar that's truly one of a kind, the McLaren Artura should be at the top of your list. It's not just a car, it's an experience. And trust me, it's an experience you won't forget. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car content. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think of the McLaren Artura. Would you take one for a spin? And what other hybrid supercars would you like to see me review in the future? I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, stay safe and keep driving awesome.